Hello. We're going to do a bloom today, and I do have exciting news. I figure we found our Chromecast. So I have it plugged into the television, the flat screen in my studio, so that I can actually see what you see. So hopefully when I do my blooms or my flowers, I will see the same image you do, and I'll be able to see the same dimension and everything. Now I have no excuse to spin images right off the canvas. So, like usual, we're skipping the first step, house paint. We're going right to the second step, the colors. That is what I use as my pillow. I make enough of one color to cover my whole canvas. So I'm just going with a cover white, brilliant white, whatever you would like to call it. So I have a gallery wrapped, so I have to make sure that I have enough to cover my whole canvas. I'll leave the recipes for you in my description box of what I use. Okay, that looks like a nice canvas, plus I have some extra. Now I do have the same turquoise I was using, but I've added some other colors. I've added, so today it's going to be a nice chocolate brown, a purple, gold, silver, and turquoise, a nice fall color selection. So let's start with the chocolate or brown. Let's call it chocolate. It's much more fun that way. Almost forgot to stir. Okay. Now I'm going to use the hairdryer, but I'm going to mute it for you so you don't have to worry about that. Ooh, that one looks interesting, doesn't it? With all of the layers, that's going to show up really nice. Okay, I'm going to cover my corn. I'm going to let that come in before you add, before you use your straw or blow it out some more. So now, my objective is to basically you go in and just try to create a little bit more lacing. And just blowing down into it, actually, believe it or not, does create more cells. After a minute or so, you'll start to see where I just blew, you'll see it pop up cells. Well, it's supposed to. I have to put gloves on. Those colors are really pretty. Wait, where's the thumb? Okay. Let me just pick up some of this. No, I haven't really. Let me wait. Okay. All right, I'm gonna spin. Just a small one at first. Oh wow, this is nice. I can see it on my screen. Oh! Okay. Let's see if I can. Doesn't want to move. I know that it takes a long time. It's really put it back. All right, let me spin it again. That's interesting. There's so much white. I do have enough paint to do it again. Let's do it again. I'm just taking what's on the sides just to save some of the paint. Okay. So this is how we handle this. We just fold it over on itself and use the same paint. But don't forget to add a little bit more, because you have to make sure that it covers the canvas. Okay, here comes the hair dryer. I'll mute it for you. Okay. Oh, I can see the gold this time. It's in there. Oh, the center really came out nice on that one. Well, I don't really like that part. I like all of this okay, and I like that, but I don't. I mean, from here it looks okay, I guess. Ooh. That one's pretty. This one is really pretty. My sides are beautiful. I think this one is a keeper. Yeah. What do you think, guys? This one's nice. I like this one. Let's torch it. Yeah, this one's pretty. Okay. I'm happy I was able to figure out how to cast this on my TV screen, because now I can see what I'm doing. So thank you for coming with me, and you guys have a great day, and I will see you soon.